Shalom, shalom. This brother Zephaniah and
Brother Zane.
brother Zayden. We're in with another episode of Getting Back to Your Roots. So the corn that I planted, I showed, I was supposed to make another video showing it sprouted in the seed tray. But I already done transplanted it. It wasn't even enough to fill this whole grow bin up. But I planted seeds and they starting to sprout. You see this right here? We putting the hoops on here so I can cover it up to protect it from the elements right here. Got all this is corn, triple sweet corn that's growing right here. So that's what you gotta do, Israel. You gotta practice your craft. That's got my son out here, brother Zayden out here. Hey, shalom to the people, Zayden.
Shalom.
Yeah, we out here doing something positive. So until then, another episode of Getting Back to Your Roots. Shalom.
Shalom.